This is your chance to get crazy rich with Bitcoin right now. And I'm not just talking about rich, I'm talking about crazy rich. So stick with me until the end, guys, then you will understand what I'm talking about. So first of all, we have to talk about the different time frames, yeah? Hourly, 4 hourly, and daily. And then we talk about crazy price targets, okay? Also, guys, if you are interested in trading, let me show you. I have a trade open here, a Bitcoin long. As you can see here, opening price 58K, and there's a crazy bonus going on right now on BingX. Let me show you guys, because you can win 1 Bitcoin, guys. 1 Bitcoin. You see, you have 8 more days to register, so use the link down in the description. You can win 1 entire Bitcoin, guys. And of course, guys, let me also show you my trades over here. We have here the Bitcoin trade on Bitget. As you can see here, opening price, and here the mark price. I always, if you know me, guys, if we hit some important support and resistance levels, I always take some chips off the table. That means I take some profits and then I scale up the trades again. Also here, Ethereum, as you can see here, average price, and here the mark price. Again, if we hit some important resistance zones, I take some chips off the table. If we break above it, I scale up the trade again. And also, guys, you still have all the sign-up bonuses if you sign up to BingX. $30 here, 500 here, and 5,000 here. And of course, you can win 1 entire Bitcoin. So let's go on here, guys. Let's talk about the hourly time frame here, okay? And as you can see here, yeah, we broke above this blue line, which was of course very bullish. I hope you all are in crazy profitable long trades at the moment, yeah? And the trend is your friend until it ends. What do I mean by that? As you can see here, basically the uptrend started at around 57K, yeah? And as long as we stay above this yellow line, everything looks very bullish, okay? So it's not a problem if the price would retrace down and let's say go back to around 64K. As long as we stay above this yellow line, everything looks bullish. Even if there would be some small, let's say some fake out like this, and then we break above it again to shake out some traders, all good, okay? So unless there's, let's say, at least a 4 hourly close with increased volume that breaks down below the yellow line, everything is good and bullish, okay? So we talk about the 1 hour time frame. Then we also have to talk about the 4 hour and the daily, because I will show you a crazy target, yeah, for this breakout. So first of all, we are trading between support here at around 64.5K and resistance at around 67.2K. As you can see here, at the moment we are in the middle, so to say, okay? So the next price level to watch is 67.3K, yeah? And the support, if we would go lower, no problem, guys. If we would go to 64.5K, no problem. You can scale up. If you would go down here, you could potentially scale up your trades. And if you would go this side, it's never wrong to take some profits, yeah? Nobody ever got poor by taking profits, guys, okay? Because whatever you have in your wallet should be safe there, unless you don't have a safe wallet, but it should be good, guys. So that's what's going on here on the hourly time frame. But now we have to go to a 4 hourly time frame, because you will see something going on here. As you can see here, this yellow line is coming here, yeah, from the all-time high, yeah. So this is another price level to watch on now, because first we have the resistance at around 67.3K, yeah, and then at around 69.4K, and then strong resistance, this yellow line coming down from the all-time high, guys, yeah. At the moment it is at around 69.8K, yeah. So I would recommend, guys, if we hit those price level here, take some chips off the table, secure some profits, yeah. And all the way up, it's never wrong to take some profits if we hit those price levels here, guys, okay? And then you can always scale up again. That's what I do. I entered, for example, the Bitcoin long trade at lower price levels, yeah, but I always take some profits, then I scale up again, okay? That's how it works. Now we will talk about the crazy breakout target here. Let me show you, because now we are at the daily time frame, okay? So, and now we're gonna I will show you the fib levels, okay? And we go here from the high, yeah, from the swing high to the swing low here. And as you can see here, the first fib level, yeah, the first fib level is at around $86,300. 86, guys, okay? This would be another move at the moment, yeah? Let's see. We are at around this price level at the moment. This would be another move of around 30%, guys, a 30% trade. Let's say you're in a 100K long trade, this would be a profit of 30K and so on. If you're in a 1 million long trade, do the math, guys, okay? It's amazing, okay? The breakout potential is amazing. But of course, first of all, the very important thing to break if we want to reach 86K is, of course, we have to break above the all-time high, guys, okay? So let's also talk about what is going on with the ETFs. The ETFs, as you can see here, they buy, yeah, they are buying. So basically in the last days, we have just positive inflows to the ETFs. The ETFs keep buying Bitcoin, which is, of course, another positive factor and also supporting this pump to the upside at the moment. As you can see here, actually no money going out, just money flowing into the ETFs. Let's also talk about the liquidation heat map, guys, because as you know, basically it's never guaranteed, but it's extremely likely that the price will always go to the levels where there is a lot of liquidity, because the exchanges want to grab your money, so to say, because that's why it's important that you're always smarter than most traders, because most traders lose money. So let's say if there's a lot of fear in the market, it's usually a good time to buy. And if there's a lot of greed in the market, it's usually a good time to sell, because most traders lose money. So you have to outsmart the market. You have to be smarter than basically all the other traders or than most traders, because then you will be profitable in the long term. So if everyone screams buy Bitcoin, usually if you go back in history, it's a good time to sell. And if everyone is screaming sell, it's a good time to buy, because let's say if you would have sold down here, yeah, then you missed this pump. If you would have sold down here, then you missed this huge pump, and so on, guys, okay? So usually what most of the people do, you should do the opposite, okay? Just some small advice, but of course always do your own research. So let's talk about this here. As you can see here, we have basically no liquidity down here waiting, just a lot of liquidity up here. At let's say at around 67.7K, we have 1.35 billion waiting, and then a lot of juicy liquidity at around 72.4K, 1.57 billion dollars waiting of liquidity there. So sooner or later, guys, I see that the exchanges, or in general the price, will go up there, because they want to grab the liquidity of the shorts, because all these shorts will get liquidated here and they will get liquidated here also as well. So it looks very bullish at the moment, guys. Very bullish outlook at the moment. And we also have to talk about Ethereum. Let me show you what this is doing here. So we are at the hourly time frame, as you can see. And again, same as with Bitcoin, the trend is your friend until it ends. So as long as the price stays above this yellow line, we look very bullish. So we could even see a retracement down here, let's say down here to around $3,400, no problem, all good. So at the moment we are trading above this turquoise zone, acting as support right now. And yeah, very bullish. As long as we stay above this zone here, all good. And also as long as we stay above the yellow line, all bullish, guys, all bullish, okay? The next bigger levels to watch out now for Ethereum, as you can see here, is here, this turquoise zone here at around $3,650. So this is the next price level to watch out for now. As you can see here, this would be another move of around, let's say, 4.5%. So all good and all bullish, guys. We can make a lot of money together, guys. So all amazing. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you